Hello class, Mr. Stone here. What I have today is a little lecture on how to multiply two numbers between 10 and 20. Of course, we all learned 1 to 10 table. Now, let's look how this can be on the 10 to 20. I end a lot of my videos by saying math can be fun. And after you watch this, you're going to say, wow, it can be fun. To give credit where credit is due, this was kind of devised by a mathematician magician. His name is Arthur Benjamin. You can Google him and you can watch some of his lectures and some of his things. He performs in front of all kinds of things, from military audiences to corporate in schools. He's kind of fun to watch, and you say, wow, this guy's pretty sharp. But he devised this, so a lot of this is his work, and he's really fun to watch. So let's start out. On the first one, it's 13 times 6. You simply take, it's a double digit number between 10 and 20 is 13, and you multiply it times the single digit number, the 6. So what you do is you multiply the 6 times the 10, and you get 60. You multiply the 6 times the 3, the last two digits in the units, and you get 18. You add those together, they come up with 78, and that's the answer. That's all there was to it. Comes up with 78. 78. You say, wow, that was pretty easy. You can almost do it in your head. You look over the next one. It's 18 times 8. So you take the single digit number, you multiply times 10, you get 80. Now you take the two unit numbers, the 8s and the 8s, you multiply them together, you get 64. You add them both together, you get 144. And that's all there was to that. Now, let's move on. If you have two numbers between 10 and 20. You got the 13 and the 14. What you do then is you actually take the 13, you add the 4 to it, which comes up with 17. So you're adding the two digits, the single digits, and it works in reverse too. If you took the 14, you added the 3 to it, doesn't really matter. You still come up with 17 times 10 is 170. Then you take the last two digits of the problem, the units, you multiply them together, you get 12. Your answer is 182. And that was all there was to that. You say, wow, I could almost do that in my head. And that's kind of what it's made for. You can do like a math trick with your friends after you memorize how to do this. Now you take the next one I wrote down there. It's a 17 times 15. You take the 17 or the 15, you add the unit number of the other one. So you get 17 plus 5 is 22, times 10 is 220. The 7 plus 5 is 35. Add them both together, it's 255. And that's all there was to that. I encourage you to watch that Arthur Benjamin. He's real interesting. And he devised this method, and I just wanted to share it with you in case you've never seen him on the YouTubes. And like I said, math can be fun. You look at this and say, wow, I can probably do this. I can practice on scratch paper and do other numbers, and I can amaze my friends. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and remember what I said is math can be fun. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.